Hello guys, welcome back to another reaction video. This is Unbeaten Reacts. Welcome to this channel. I am Namu, your channel creator and host. And right now I'm super excited. This is going to be a different style of video because I'm recording this at the time of the release of newest latest comeback. And we are going to check this out, the comeback. I don't remember what its name is. I'm in Trouble, yeah. I'm in Trouble is their latest song which came out. It just came out 40 minutes ago. I'm a bit late, but we are gonna check this music video out. Now I'm really not very familiar with Newest. I know they're a group under Pledis and they're a pretty old group, and that yeah, that's about it. I'm sorry. I might have heard their songs, but I really don't recall any. I know they're a super old group, but I just have never heard about them. I've never got into them. So please, if you are Newest fans, please let me know about them. Let me know the members' name. I might be checking out the profile after this. But after this video I might check out their profiles. But let me know about Newest. Let me know their songs which you want me to react to. I've heard they have super banger songs though, some of the best songs. So but now I'm checking out I'm in Trouble. This is their 7th mini album, The Table. Okay, no, so this is the 8th mini album, right? But wow, it actually looks really good, cool. The aesthetic of the videos looks really good. So we're gonna check this out. Actually today, right now, Newest and Day 6 both came back. So I'm first checking out Newest and I might check out Day 6 tomorrow because I have some school stuff to do today. That's why I will check out Day 6 tomorrow definitely. Right now though, they are in Newest world. Okay, 3, 2, 1, let go. It seems like a darker vibe. Okay. Is that a guitar? It seems like an acoustic guitar. Okay. Do we have lyrics? We have lyrics. Okay, let's just walk. We have lyrics, so let me just go a bit back. I'm sorry. Who do you want to choose? Mute all the sound. Okay. It's got a good feel to it. It's like a bouncy feel. It's like a dark song, somewhat. The video also looks really cool. Okay, slight build up. Ooh. There are 5 members, right? Okay. The chorus is a bit softer than what I thought it would be. I thought it was gonna be a really hard chorus, but it's not that hard. Ooh, okay, is this the chorus? Or is this the second part of the chorus? Extended chorus maybe? It's really interesting, it's really different. Ooh. Vocals, really soft vocals. Okay. See, the build-up is really interesting. Build-up is really hard. But the chorus is different. The chorus is not that hard as the build up. The build up is increasing the beat. And there is an extended chorus after this. I wonder what the concept is. They're like ignoring the messages and trying to separate them from the entire world or something like that. Ooh, the background vocals are so good. Ooh, I really love that guitar strumming. I hope that's a guitar strumming. The dance also seems in it, but the vocals are too good. Oh my god. It was a good song. It was a really different song. The drop or the chorus was really different. I mean, yeah, the Nocturne, right? That's the album name. Dope. That was different, dude. That was so. It was nothing I've ever heard of. The chorus was really mild in comparison with the pre-chorus and the build-up. I may have heard this type of contrast in maybe Winner song So, where the build-up is really intense but the chorus simmers it down. But this was a different style then, and this was really interesting. I feel, wow, this was really good. It was my first time reacting to or watching anything NU'EST related, and it was good. This was different from like the styles I've heard or I enjoyed. There was no rap verse in this, but it was really good. The vocals were really intricate and really amazing. Wow, I might be a fan. So there are 5 members. I don't think so there was any rapping or any rappers. There might be rappers, but this song did not have any rap. And the aesthetics were really good. The visuals, there were a lot of scenes in there. And I don't know what was the thing with the mobile phones thing. So there's like they were getting messages from someone, maybe a loved one, maybe someone else, but they're just like ignoring them and ignoring the outside world, or ignoring or trying to remove contact with any of the outside world. They're like probably in their own world, away from everyone else. And yeah, I really, it was a really different feel for a song. It was a dance song, but more poppy side than a hip hop side. It actually, the choreography was really well too. So nice, I'm a fan. NU'EST is actually one of those groups. I feel like for me personally, I'm like, with my personal experience, is one of those groups that I've always heard about, but I never get a chance to listen anything regarding them. So that's why this time I decided that I want to check out NU'EST, because yeah, they are a big name in the K-pop industry, and they are known. I've heard like them getting awards at award shows. Maybe I've seen some award performances as well, but I really haven't heard any from them, which is surprising because they're really good. At least from this song, the first impression of the group is really good. It was really nice. This kind of chill vibe is especially like chill. It's not too hard, it's not too aggressive song. It's a chill vibe, like a chill summer vibe. You're laying back, relaxing, and just listening to this song. That kind of feeling are there. So that's why, since I've never reacted to NU'EST before, I decided before reacting to Day 6, which is coming out later, tomorrow, I better react to newest first. Newest first. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. It's newest, right? I've heard them pronounce it, or I've heard people pronounce it as newest. So yeah, it was really good. So if you like this, please leave like, leave comment on what you want me to react to next from newest or from anyone else. And I'm checking out all the comebacks in May, and I'm releasing almost one video every day and reacting to all the K-pop stuff that you like. So please leave a like, leave your comments on whatever you want me to react to next, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, amazing. I really enjoyed this. So yep, that's probably it. I just, in all my videos, I just get really awkward at the outro. So yeah, day 6 reaction, newest comeback coming out tomorrow, and see you then. Peace.